Welcome back to Car AUG 765, the home of classic American machines that defined an era of power, pride, and performance. If you love vintage vehicles that carry stories of strength and timeless design, you're in the right place. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our classic car journeys. Today, we're talking about a true American workhorse and a symbol of durability, the 1977 GMC Sierra Grande 1500. This truck was more than just transportation, it was a statement of rugged confidence and craftsmanship from an age when vehicles were built to last a lifetime. Back in the 1970s, GMC was known for combining power and practicality with a touch of class. The Sierra Grande trim was the top-of-the-line version, offering a blend of style and strength that stood out in its time. The 1977 model in particular marked a perfect balance between a reliable work truck and a comfortable everyday vehicle. It was designed for those who worked hard but also appreciated the finer details of automotive engineering. Under the hood, the 1977 GMC Sierra Grande 1500 came with a variety of engine options, from the durable 250 cubic inch inline 6 to the powerful 350 V8 that delivered both torque and performance. It wasn't just about getting the job done, it was about doing it with authority. The sound of that V8 engine roaring to life was enough to turn heads and remind everyone that this truck meant business. The Sierra Grande was also praised for its smooth ride. GMC engineers gave it a suspension system that balanced toughness and comfort. Whether you were hauling heavy loads or cruising down the highway, this truck gave you stability and confidence. The 1977 model's chassis was built like a rock, capable of handling almost anything you threw at it, from towing equipment to enduring the rough terrains of American countryside roads. Inside the cabin, the Sierra Grande reflected a new wave of luxury for pickup trucks. While most trucks of that era were plain and functional, this one offered wood grain paneling, padded dashboards, and soft vinyl seats that made long drives more enjoyable. The attention to detail was clear. GMC wanted drivers to feel proud behind the wheel, not just powerful. Visually, the 1977 GMC Sierra Grande 1500 is a piece of art in metal and chrome. Its squared-off body lines, large grille, and dual headlights gave it an unmistakable face. The chrome bumpers and trim added a touch of elegance to its tough exterior. The body design carried that, built strong, built beautiful, look that made 1970s American trucks so iconic. Even today, collectors and truck lovers admire the Sierra Grande for its reliability and design. Many restorers bring these old beasts back to life, showcasing their beauty at car shows and on the streets. It's not just nostalgia, it's appreciation for a time when vehicles were built with heart and steel, not just computers and plastic. Driving the 1977 GMC Sierra Grande 1500 today feels like stepping back in time. The sound, the smell of old leather, the weight of the steering wheel, it all reminds you of how pure and mechanical driving once was. No digital screens, no driver assists, just you, the road, and a truck that responds with raw power and honesty. That's why enthusiasts still hold this GMC close to their hearts. It's more than a truck, it's a legacy of American engineering. A truck that could haul, shine, and endure, all while looking good doing it. So if you ever come across a 1977 GMC Sierra Grande 1500, take a moment to admire it. It's a living reminder of how simple, strong, and stylish vehicles used to be. Thank you for watching Car AUG 765. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more classic car stories from the golden days of American motoring. See you in the next video.